Hey, to enter for the safe mode on the Redmi 12C, first of all we have to click and hold the power button and turn off our phone. And now we have to use the two buttons combination, the power button and the volume up button. We have to hold these buttons together until the screen turns on, and when it turns on we have to release the power button. So let's take a look how it works. Click and hold these two buttons and keep holding them. Now release the power button, hold the volume up button, and right now please subscribe to my channel. You will help me to grow it and I will be really grateful for you. There we go. And then to enter the safe mode, just use the volume down button. When the safe mode is highlighted on the blue, click on the power button, and now our phone will restart and it will be turned on into the safe mode. So that's all. Bye bye.